use extra caution. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Plum Grove, Oregon, 9 miles northeast of Kingwood, moving southeast at around 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northwestern Liberty, Dayton, Plum Grove, Kenefick, and Lake Houston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.